give you guys a grocery haul. Everything all together cost $260. Hello everyone, welcome back. Don't mind my voice, I have been plagued with a head cold and it is not fun, let me tell you. I could feel it coming on last night, and last night just sucked throughout the night, waking up with him, feed him and change him, and just being sick and blowing my nose. It was not fun. Skylar got it first. She's had a cough for a couple of days and now it's hit me. So, Rowan's a little bit stuffed up. I don't think he's feeling his best, but other than that, he's okay. But I had a video planned for today, so we must prevail. And maybe it'll make me feel better anyways. I did a huge grocery order last night for today, so I just got the text message. It's ready for us to go and pick up, so I'm gonna load up the kiddos, go and get our grocery order, and then I desperately need to clean out the fridge before I restock everything and fill it up. So I wanted to start the vlog before we leave to go get the groceries, and then when I come back you guys can do a really satisfying fridge clean out and restock with me as well. I just gave him a really good feed, so you should be good, but it shouldn't take us too long to go and load up our groceries and come home, honestly. I'm gonna load up these kiddos and I will see you guys when we get back from the grocery store. Okay, we are back from picking up the groceries. That was an adventure and a half. Rowan cried the entire time I was bagging groceries because I forgot his soother, even though he hates it anyways. He just hates when the car stops moving in general. But that was definitely a mom fail. Not only do I already have mom brain, but being sick with a head cold on top of that, it's not working. But we made it home. Rowan is now sleeping in his car seat on the couch. Skylar's taking care of with a snack. I got all the groceries. They're just sitting outside right now. I'm gonna tackle cleaning the fridge and then bring the groceries inside and restock. But let's show you what we're working with right now. I honestly just don't remember when the last time I cleaned this fridge out. This is chicken that I pulled out for dinner tonight. But the shelves are just like really messy. These things need to come out and, you know, like be washed. I need to go through like all the fruits and vegetables in here and throw out what's bad, because some of it is not even good anymore, as well with like half of these condiments on the shelf that we don't use, and wipe these out as well. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm not gonna touch the freezer just because the freezer is not dirty. It's just really unorganized. So if I can brave that after unloading the fridge, maybe I'll do it. It's actually driving me crazy just looking at it. So I'm gonna reorganize this as well because yeah, it's pretty bad. brief intermission because somebody woke up. Changed him. He does not want me to put him down. Pretty much done. I just washed out all of these containers and then have to put what little produce I have back into the fridge, and then we're just restocking after that. So okay, this is the fridge all cleaned out and everything has been thrown out that's no longer good. Reorganized all the shelves. I decided to put the eggs over here. Usually we have them up here, but I think it looks much better like this. This is the cleanest my fridge has been literally since we moved in. So let's go bring all the groceries inside. I'll give you guys a grocery haul and then we can restock and put everything away. Okay, so a couple non-grocery items. I had to get some diapers for Rowan. He's already in size 1, which is so sad. Then I got some crispy colas because we have a serious problem. And I needed some more mascara. And this is our giant grocery haul. Everything all together cost $260, which is not that bad, honestly, for a big haul that we did. So let's go through everything that we got. This is everything that we usually get and have been getting for quite some time, plus or minus like a few things. So we got a big jug of orange juice and 2 boxes of the strawberry yogurt Bear Paws, because those are Skylar's favorite. And when you have a kid with special needs, you gotta stick to their safe foods. If you know, you know. I got some baking cocoa because I want to do some baking come Valentine's Day. Some dark chocolate mini chocolate chips. I got some coffee, some pretzel goldfish, a small bag of flour, some Kraft smooth peanut butter, a bag of roasted and salted peanuts because we go through these like crazy. I got some pancake mix and then some red velvet cupcake mix, again for Valentine's Day baking coming up. And then I got these uncooked ham and cheese. They're like chicken cordon bleus basically, but they're really good and quick and easy for a quick meal. And then we got some quick oats, a box of minute rice, and some shreddies. I couldn't resist, so I got some Swiss rolls because they are so good. I needed some more chai tea, so I got some of that. We got some ice cream, some bread. I'm very ashamed and embarrassed to say that I bought bread and muffins because I have been so slacking on baking our bread and muffins and stuff that I usually bake, like our baked goods. So we listen and we don't judge. Yes, I bought bread and muffins, okay? Sue me. Then we got some mandarin oranges, some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, bananas, lettuce, and apples. Back there is our toilet cleaner, the pink stuff cleaner that we're gonna try for the stove or the oven. And then some juice boxes for Skylar May. We got 2 packs of salami for Skylar May as well. Some sour cream, some plain Greek yogurt, and some more mayonnaise. And then 3 packs of our nano yogurt drinks. We got them in banana strawberry, banana, and apple and grape. A big jug of Homo milk, a big block of extra Old Fort cheese, some more margarine. And then we've been getting these because they're super cheap and easy. We just cut them up when we want a sweet treat at night and throw them in the oven. Again, we listen and we don't judge. I don't always have the time and the energy and the ingredients to bake cookies. So, and Chris is a cookie monster, so these are quick and easy. So I usually get a couple of those to have in the fridge. And that is everything that we got in our grocery order. Now, I tried to put him in here in hopes that he would settle and fall asleep, but he's just not happy. Not a happy camper. Me? No, you're very grumpy. But I need to get some of this stuff like in the fridge and in the freezer, so just bear with me, buddy. this is what the fridge looks like, all nice and restocked and cleaned out. Looks so much better, honestly. Also, does anybody know, is there like a proper way to stock a fridge, like where things are supposed to go? Because I feel like everybody does things differently. But if there's like a specific place that something's meant to be, I want to know. I would like to know. So now, all that we have to do is quickly organize everything in the freezer. This is a before, which like these are empty, one except for one. Christ, I always save bananas and strawberries for like, I say I'm gonna make them, like turn them into banana bread and stuff, but I never actually do. So time to throw everything away. And the after, so much better. I did end up wiping out this one just because it was filthy. Doesn't look super organized, but we have like veggies, fruit, french fries, hash browns, chicken, and then a crap ton of tortillas and like bread items. So you guys, that is it for today's video. Just a really big grocery haul, restock, and cleaning out the fridge with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was just as satisfying to watch as it was for me to do. This is your sign. Clean out your fridge, organize your freezer. It'll just feel so much better every time you go and open it or you go and look for something. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more content like this in the future. I did not give myself enough time today, and I did not have the patience to tackle cleaning the microwave and the oven like I said I may do. So that is just going to be for another time. I can definitely feel the sickness in my head, so I need to go and relax and eat something and drink some water. And hopefully by next time I talk to you guys, I am feeling a whole lot better. So I'm going to take the opportunity to end this vlog now. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.